these migrants in our community without our permission.
Shame.
Mayor Lightfoot would never pull this type of thing in anyone's neighborhood. She would not drop off a busload of Haitians in Little Village. She would not drop off a busload. Please withdraw your decision to put the migrants in our community. We already are struggling with the issue of fentanyl in our communities. We don't need anything else to add to the struggles that we already have. If there is a lack of resources in our community, we don't need anyone else to come in and suck those up.
That's right.
We're tired, Miss Lightfoot. We're tired, and we will not be voting for you.
How are we going to have immigrants being dropped off in our community when we don't even have enough resources to take care of our own? And like I said, I love my people from all over the world. I do. But it wouldn't be right if Black Americans were just dropped off in somewhere in Haiti and making the Haitian people be responsible for them because they don't have no jobs, they have nothing. That wouldn't be right either. So it's the same thing.
The founder of Chicago was a Haitian immigrant named Jean-Baptiste Point-du-Sable. But yet Haitians are not welcome in Chicago, especially in a black neighborhood. Look how those guys are so upset, so angry, because they put a group of people who look like them, a group of people who are looking for a better life, because they put them in their neighborhood. They are so upset. That's why us as black people all over the world, we can't be succeed because we don't love each other. We hate each other. We are happy when we see our brothers are struggling. But every day we are complaining about the white men, why you don't love us, why you don't treat us fairly. But you fail to treat your own blood with love. And for you, brother, house Negro, you call your show African Diaspora News. I know you do that for a piece of bread. For the record, let me tell you something. During slavery, Haiti was the only republic that opened its door to the black American who were slave in America to come to live in Haiti for free. The Saline sent a letter to Jefferson and tell you guys you can come and live for free. And why us as black people? It's only when something bad happened to us, we get together. If it was a Haitian migrant who got killed by a police officer tonight, the same group of people who were complaining about Haitian being in their neighborhood would be on TV and crying, yeah. If it was a group of white people being racist toward a group of Haitian migrants, even this guy who is making the video, who is angry because Haitians are in the black neighborhood, would make plenty videos about how he loves Haitian migrants, how good us as Haitians we are, how good he is about Black Lives Matter. But deep down, he doesn't care. He just cares for his pocket.